Shares in Tesla and California chipmaker Nvidia dived on Tuesday among crisp trouble on the pledge of personality driving car technique. The concerns added to a broad technique sell-off how saw U.S. markets inverse reached toothed on Monday as fears of a world trading war receded. The technology-wealthy Nasdaq code immersed more than rather than 200 points or almost 2.9%. The S&P 500 lose percent to 2,612.6 points, time the Dow Jones barn percent to 23,857.7. Nvidia, a provider of independent drive technique, was amongst the largest losers following the business told it had halted personality driving tests on social roads. Shares, that rose a rapidly recent year, closed downward nearly 7.8%. Nvidia's judgment follows a deadly collapse the monthly comprising a personality driving Uber car in Arizona. On Monday night the country told it would bar Uber of next tests before a Fed censor is signed. Some firms, such as Toyota, include as well told they will scope behind test on social roads. Questions on car security as well pursued Tesla, following U.S. security regulators told they were studying a deadly crash comprising one of its vehicles. The Domestic Transport Security Executive Board told it is considering the flame how occurred following the crash and looking to define if the autopilot framework had been busy. Tesla shares sank more than rather than 8% to less than rather than $280, the minimum cost in on a year. Nvidia and Tesla were amongst top flying stocks recent year, while markets surged in portion due to consumer expectations of decontrol and enterprise tax intermittent. Two NTSB investigators conduct box inquiry for deadly March 23, 2018, collapse of a Tesla close mount type, CA. Not clear if automatic monitoring framework was busy at period of collapse. Issues discussed involve, position crash flame, stairs to do car secure for remove of stage. Their year has been more than stormy the year, as investors grip in trading tensions, capacity bet rises by the U.S. Fed backup and some factors. Facebook and Google's proprietor script were as well downward on 5% on Tuesday, among continuing concerns on information confidentiality protections.